We are gonna talk about and how to fix the errors whatever you have Instagram article, Facebook Instagram article. So okay, let's go to your Facebook page and go to publishing tool, and click on the production article. Then you'll see like this error. Then this error is already you can't if you have a red colored error, then you can publish this article, because you must fix the errors before your article will be published. So okay, and this is the error in your content, and if you use many breaks and many elements, then you'll see like this one. Actually it occurs for if you use more than 5 breaks br tag, then that will be, this error will be that will be displayed. So okay, it is not a big problem. You can fix this problem within few seconds, but it is a big problem. Okay, let's get started how to fix this. Just if you want to fix this, then click on the edit button, and we see if you have any error in any area, then that area will be blocked by red mark. This error is you have to fix this one. No valid list items found. This one item. First I'll see this. I want to see this picture. Go into website. Okay, it will be open. Just we are going to next one. This error is not a big problem. Just if you have already used many breaks br tag more than 5, then it will be show. Okay, it will be gone. Just we have to delete more break, then delete. Delete this one, delete this one. Okay, and delete. Now going to, okay, already have deleted more than 5 br tag. Now we are going to check this one, which article has error. We have used 2 images, same images in different way. So this is the big error. So you cannot use same images in 2 times. So we have to first we have to go to our website and see your news, warp.in, same image. This is the same image in the featured image and the blog image. So we have to delete this one. Just we have to have only one images. That image, if you have a similar image, if you can publish at a time similar image, because it is a similar image. So yeah, we are not delete this one. Okay, go to the next one. go to first. Okay, click on it. Click on visual. Just delete this one, and we see we have uploaded this image as a feature image, but we have made a mistake, so you don't need to do it, and just remove this one and click on text button. Object. Now we are going to click on save button. I hope that this problem will not be fixed, but this problem will be fixed when you click on save button. Okay, let's go to check this one. Save it. Closed. Already that beard track problems already has been fixed, so now we are going to fix this another one. So let's see what's problem. The light and one, let's check this. Click on here. We don't need it. I'm just going to, and still too many bugs. Yes. We don't need this one because there is no text. If you write any text on this thing, list. Click on save button. Close the button. Okay, already we have fixed that problem, because this problem has been happened for you as well as you have used lots of li list, but without writing any name of li list, li name, list name. So that's why it's happened. Already I have deleted that li list, so we have fixed this one. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll next you soon.